Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make butter cake. We have to practice to make it perfectly. For beginners only, I am teaching this butter cake. We are taking small amounts. See what are the ingredients need for that. We need 150 grams of flour, 150 grams of powdered sugar, 150 grams of butter, extra margarine, quarter cup of milk, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. These are the ingredients we need for to make butter cake. The length is 10-inch tray. We have to line up from a oil paper, and I buttered the tray and line up from the oil paper. We'll see now how to make the butter cake. First, we are taking 150 grams of from this. This is 250 grams of extra margarine. From that we are taking 150. Room temperature butter is. Take room temperature butter. We took other ingredients 150 grams, no, that's why we are taking butter also 150. Then only we can take a sponge butter cake. Here it is like creamy, so I am adding the sugar also and beat well. Now add the egg one by one and beat it well. Add the other egg also. Now add the quarter cup of milk and vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and beat it another few minutes. Enough the beating. Now we'll add dry ingredients. Now we'll add the flour. Before adding the flour, we must add to the flour 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and sheave this and take. Sheave this the flour and add to the cake batter. Now we'll add little by little flour to this batter and hold it wet. Like this hole will add on. And hole. Preheat the oven in 180 degrees for 10 minutes. If lumps have, you must beat 1 minute from this beater. Then all the lumps dissolving with the batter. Now enough, we can pour to the tray. This is the mixture. You see, we'll pour to the tray. We'll pour to the tray. This is 10-inch tray. Here's my cake batter, butter cake batter. We'll keep in the oven for 30 minutes. In 20 minutes, you little check. After that, if you prick from a toothpick and see if didn't bake, you keep to half an hour, because it's changing oven to oven. Tap like this size and keep. You see, this is my well baked butter cake, very soft and fluffy. We'll cut and see. It took 40 minutes to bake in my oven. This oven is little bit taking time. That's why you keep in half an hour in 180 degrees. We'll keep to cool and cut and see. Now we'll cut and see. We'll take and see now. You see, very soft and fluffy. You also make and taste and see. Thank you for watching.